should have put in 36-inch doors.
Yes.
In fact, if I ever build a house, it'll have a 20-inch door, a 20-foot door in it to move in and out. Are you up yet?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, rotate it 90 degrees. Things travel better. Okay. Now, do we want to put that, let's put that there up to the front.
There.
Now just slide it in. We'll take it like this and slide it up against that.
What do you mean against that?
Ready? Keep going. You want it to go
Oh, that way, okay. The
furniture mover in me.
yeah.
I didn't realize that. I thought, oh, we'll put it in crossways, and the guy goes, no.